Question number 4. It's a interesting question because we need to find the value of this limit. To find the value of this limit, we need to the best way to find it is to use the technique which we multiply the numerator and the denominator by the numerator. I'm gonna explain. Let's go. Basically, we're gonna multiply this value right here that he gave to us. We can also put the 1 here down here, and we multiply for this value right here. We use this technique. But remember, when you're multiplying, we need to change this sign right here. So it's gonna be plus. Okay? And the bottom, the same thing. Alright? Okay. Plus x. Now, if we here, it's really important to realize that this multiplied by this, we have difference between two squares. So basically, we can simplify this by x squared plus 6 squared plus 1 minus and this squared minus x squared. All right, and then to make it easier, I'm gonna right away I'm gonna take off the square root here because we can cancel, of course. Then we have this here at the top, and at the bottom, once we are multiplying this by 1, we have actually the same expression, right? Have the same expression plus, no, yeah, this plus x. Here we are, okay? Now, what can we do? We can factor this, the top, will be plus 1 over x here at the top, and at the bottom, we keep the same thing, all right? Okay, and here at the bottom, if you realize if you look, we have this 2 to the power of 2 here, x to the power of 2 here. So basically, we can factor this. We can factor, so basically we have the top, the same top, and here at the bottom, we can factor the x. But if we factor the x, what is going to happen? We're gonna have this thing will be 1, because x to the power 2 divided by x to the power 2 is 1, okay? Then we have 6 over x plus 1 x2, because we're dividing everything here for x squared, okay? And okay, one more thing, I forgot the squared here, because x is squared right away, okay? Basically that's it. So and of course plus 1, because we factored the x. All right, so let's go now developing this. So here, after we cancel this x's, we need to remember that we have limit of x to infinite. All right, and here we cancel the x's, so we're gonna have 1 plus infinity both x 1 plus 6 over x plus 1 x to the power of 2 plus 1. Right here, if we substitute here, we're gonna get 6 plus 0 both 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. Gonna have 6 plus 1. Gonna have 6 for 2. Gonna have the result 3. So the result for this question number 4 right here is 3. All right.